Okay, for this project, you're going to need any jar. You can use a mason jar. You're going to need a headband of your choice. You can use the witch's hat. You can use the bat. You can use whatever. You're going to need some foam. You're going to need scissors, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks. And you're going to want to start by taking the wings apart. And also do the ears. I kind of just pull it apart just to take the tag off because it bothered me. What you want to do first is just trace any circle that will fit the middle of your jar just to cover the letters. Just trace it and then cut it out. And you're just going to want to put a little bit of hot glue and just place the circle. Now you're going to want to see where you want to place the ears. And you're going to start by gluing them down. And I kind of did them like in an angle. And that's how the lid looks. You're going to want to start by folding the wing just so we can glue it. And that's how it looks. And you're going to want to do the same thing. Make a little fold and just glue it on the other side. And I'm showing you there how to do it, but it's kind of hard to do it backwards. So you just want to hold it there for just a few seconds until the glue sets. And for me, the wings were a little too flimsy. What I'm gonna do next is just use the headband and just break off a piece. I cut the fabric and I just pulled it out. And you're gonna want to use some floral cutters just to cut it. And you're gonna want to do it for the other side as well. If you hear all this breathing, it's my dog next to me. And that's how it will look once you place it on there. It's not as flimsy as the other one. Now you can just add your candies or whatever you want to add into it. And you're done. The total cost of this project would probably cost you no more than $3 if you purchase all the candy at the Dollar Tree, the jar at the Dollar Tree, and the headband. So yeah, $3, it's a good cheap idea to give it to the teachers, to a friend, to a coworker. And right there, I'm just trying to put the lid together just to see how I like it. Sorry, I was out of focus. And that's how it looks. I hope you enjoy it.